Hey there! Thanks a ton for checking out my channel again. I truly hope you're doing incredibly amazing things. So, if you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and kindly pass it on to your friends or family members with their beautiful bikes. Remember, sharing is caring. In this one particular video, I'm fixing the bike's disc plate to give it a much needed, nicer look and make it absolutely stylish. Trust me, small touches can make a huge difference in the bike's overall appearance. Have you liked the changes that I've made to the bike? If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with others. It's always a pleasure to see how helpful and informative your content can be to others.